So, like, this is my boiler. This is my boiler power plant. It's powered by a boiler that spins turbine that pumps a turbine that spins a generator. So, yeah, it's building up steam right now. So, that's the funnel for decoration. This carries the steam to the turbine. This closes or opens it, so right now it's closed. This is the whistle, and then in here it boils the water, and then it's connected to the wall, so it's an electric heated boiler. So this is the safety valve right there, and then the turbine's right there. So it has the exhaust, and then when it's on, that thing spins really fast, and it turns the generator. So let's turn it on. So a whole bunch of steam is coming out of the exhaust. Let's turn on the whistle. Yeah, you can see water boiling in there. So. And yeah, that thing's spinning really fast. So when I get a generator, it's gonna be spinning the generator and making power. So.
Thanks for the tour.
So, yeah, that's my Blue Lynx Energy Center so far, and hope you enjoyed it.